In this question, we have two blocks A and B with mass of 2 kg, 3 kg. And a horizontal force of 10 Newton is applied to a block A, and the question here is about calculating the force exerted by the block A on a block B. Since the system, both block A and B is moving together and the surface is frictionless, we can treat these two blocks as a single system. So the total mass of the system can be calculated as MA plus MB, whereas MA is representing the mass of a block A and MB is representing the mass of a block B. So here we can write 2 plus 3, which will be equal to 5 kilogram. Whereas the total force applied on a system is given as 10 Newton. So based on the Newton's second law, we can write acceleration is equal force divided by mass. From this, we can write 10 divided by 5 will be equal to 2 meter per second is the acceleration of a block. But here the question is about to determine the force that block A exerts on block B. For calculating that, we apply Newton's second law to the block B. So here we can write F force on B because of A will be equal to mass of B times A. So we can write mass of B is 3 and the acceleration we calculated 2. So we will get the answer as 6 Newton. So the correct answer for the question is option A here.